Hello and welcome, and in this video I am going to be unboxing the TP-Link TL-WN722N 150 Mbps high gain wireless USB adapter. So as you can see, this is the box that it comes in. This is what the adapter looks like. It's a USB adapter, so this plugs into a USB port on your, say, your laptop or on your desktop, and it will give you a high-speed internet access basically. So it says N150 Wi-Fi with further range. Okay, the three key features are, of course, the 150 MB per second Wi-Fi speed. So this has a speed of up to 150 MB per second. It has a high gain antenna, which you can see right here, and there's a WPS button on here, so it makes connectivity a lot easier with the WPS button. It's also Mac supported and Windows compatible, so this will work on both Mac and Windows devices. Let's turn it around. At the back it says high gain antenna for long range connections. A high gain antenna enables the TL-WN722N to reach your router from farther with more precise directional range, sustaining faster and more stable wireless connections. Okay, so this is basically saying it has a high gain adapter, and it will allow you to get good Wi-Fi speeds, right? And there's one button security. So with the push of the WPS button, which is on here, connect to the Wi-Fi network without typing a complex password and stay protected with reliable security. All right, so that is pretty good to know. Again, on the side, the system compatibility, it says supported operating systems include Windows 10, 8.1, 8, 7, XP, Linux, and Mac OS. All right, and on the other side, it says the package contents. So this contains a 150 MB per second high gain wireless USB adapter. There is a quick installation guide, and there would be a resource CD. Now the specs are given over here. So the standards that are supported are IEEE 802.11n/G/B. So that's the standard, the Wi-Fi standard that this USB adapter supports. It says it has an LED status, which is internal. There's a WPS button, and for security, it supports WEP, WPA/WPA2, WPA-PSK, and WPA2-PSK standards. Now the dimensions also given. It's 3.7 into 1.0 into 0.4 inches, right? So that's all the information on the box. Let's just go ahead and unbox this, and let's open it up. Let's take a look at this device. So I'm just gonna open the side. It comes wrapped in plastic, so I'll just remove that little bit of plastic. Let me just take the plastic off altogether. So, and okay, it's not out. Okay, so it opens actually from here, from the bottom. So this opens out, and that opens up like that. So there you go. So that is the USB adapter, which is held quite snugly, I must say. You need to pull to get it out. That's the high gain TP-Link USB adapter itself. That's the antenna that they're talking about, and it comes with this little plastic covering, which you need to remove, and that cap protects the USB port, so that plugs into your laptop or to your desktop, where you need to get the USB, where you need to get the internet access basically. Okay, let's put that to one side. Let's see what else do you get in the box. So like they said, you got a cable over here, right? So this is a USB cable. Let's put that to one side. This is probably, you can probably use this cable as an extender. So this actually plugs in to that, and you can actually plug in the cable. All right, so that allows you to even further extend the range of this device. This is basically if you're traveling, so this is good if you're traveling and you want good internet. Now you've got a quick installation guide over here. So we'll actually run through this, and we'll do it in a separate video, how to actually install this. and of course you've got a CD. So this is for wireless products only. There's a resource CD given here, so this would contain drivers and some software that you may need. So there you have it, folks. That was exactly what you get in the box when you basically buy this TP-Link product. There's the USB adapter itself, you get a USB cable, there's your wireless, you have a quick installation guide and a resource CD. So I do hope you found this unboxing useful. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.